Hello and welcome, children. In this portion, we will be actually dealing with all the literary devices which are used in the poem. So, the first thing that we should know about the rhyming scheme, children, that what is the rhyming scheme which has been used over here. So, when there are no rhyming scheme in the poem, that is called, children, free verse. Okay. So, free verse is used where there is no rhyming scheme. So, this poem is written in free verse. The most famous free verses are being written by actually Shakespeare, which we'll come to know in later on classes. Now, I will come to the literary devices which are being used in the poem. So, first is anaphora. The first literary device which is being used here is anaphora. What is anaphora? That we have to understand. Anaphora means when there are words and which are being repeated. Okay, from the start of two or more consecutive line, it is the device which is called anaphora. Okay, when there is repetition. So anaphora is used. Where does is the anaphora used? In the line 2, 3 and 4, we find that this word don't is being repeated. Okay, so anaphora is there in the second, third and fourth line of the poem. And then also the another anaphora is the word you. Okay, you can find that in the lines 6, 7 and 8 you will find that these words are repeated. So this is the poetic device is anaphora. The next poetic device, as I have already told you about the personification, that the poet is using the wind, as he is treating wind as a human being, okay, as a person. So there is a personification in wind. Wind is being personified in the poem. So the poetic device is personification, and in this we find that wind is being personified. Then the next is poetic device is repetition. Repetition means the same word will come again and again to actually to lay emphasis on the expression, on the feelings. So here we find that this word crumbing is being repeated. Okay, so there is a repetition in it, and poet wants to say that wind crushes the weak, and that is why he repeats the word crumbing. Okay, so to give the emphasis on the weak, that what the wind does to the weak people. Now will come the next poetic device is alliteration. Alliteration means repetition of the consonant sound in the close connection. Okay, so these consonant sounds are being like in wind and winnow. The first sound we, wind, winnow. Okay, so this is been repeated. So this is called alliteration. Alliteration means the consonant sounds are repeated. Okay, so the next is won't. The next word which is used is this won't, want. Okay, so here what is the repetition that we have to understand? Won't, this consonant wo, and want, wo. The consonant wo is being repeated. Then the next is that the next poetic device is symbolism. So symbol is being referred here, and the symbol is that wind is actually the symbol of challenges in our life. Adversities in our life is actually given the word, given the name as wind. So that's why this is the symbol. So this completes your poem, children. Thank you.